Today I am starting a very interesting topic, that is Newtonian mechanics. It is very important part for UGC NET and SET. I think this class is highly helpful for any competitive exams. There are some parts. Today I am discuss the first part, that is the numericals or Newtonian mechanics. This series is continuing. I think all of the students is beneficial to my class, and all the college students is highly helpful. So come to the topic, that is a particle. A particle moves along the parametric curve r equal to a cos omega t I cap plus b sin omega t j cap. Find the force acting on the particles and comment about the nature of the force. So this is the questions. So first we have to write down, that is the equation. It's r equal to a cos omega t I cap plus b sin omega t. This is the curve along which the particle moves. So in this equation we have to differentiate with respect to t. So differentiating with respect to t, we get, that is dr equal to minus a omega sin omega t I cap plus b omega cos omega t j cap. Again differentiating with respect to t, we get, that is d2 d2 square equal to minus a omega square cos omega t I cap minus b omega square sin omega t j cap. So if I take common minus omega square, so this is the value of r. So we have written, that is acceleration, that is omega square r, we can write. So this is the acceleration of the particle. From Newton's law we know, that is F equal to ma. So this is the acceleration, value of the particle m. So we can write this. So this is the value of force F equal to minus m omega square r. If I consider in vector form, that is F vector equal to m omega square r vector. So this is the value of force. Next we have to calculate the nature of the force, that is curl of F. So putting the value of F, we can write, that is minus m omega square, that is curl of r. We know that is curl of r, we know that is 0. So curl of r 0, so that is curl of F, that is 0. So curl of F means that is conservative force. Curl of F0 means that is F is conservative force. So we get the conclusion, the nature of the force, that is conservative. I come to the another numericals, that is Newtonian mechanics. So this is obviously very important for NET and SET exam. I think all students practice again and again to crack NET and SET exam. So a particle of mass m moves along the space curve defined by, that is the r equal to a cos omega t I cap plus b sin omega t j cap. Find the value of torque. In this class I have calculated the value of torque, and next class I have calculated, that is the angular momentum. So today I have known the value of torque. So that is the curve along which the particle moves is given by, that is r. So differentiating with respect to t, we get this is the value. Again differentiating, we get that is the d2r d2 square equal to minus omega square r. So if I multiply on both sides by m, so we get this is the value of f, that is f equal to minus m omega square r. So we have known that is torque equal to curl of, so we know that is torque tau equal to r cross f. We know that this torque tau equal to r cross f. So putting the value of f, we get that is r cross r. Value of f, that is minus m omega square r cross r. We know that is from concept of vector, that is r cross r or a cross a, that is 0. So that is the torque is 0. So torque is 0 in this case. So today we have known the two important numericals and also solutions. All students are requested to watch the videos, entire videos, and like, share and comments, and subscribe my channel. Thank you all my dear students.